Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to on aeroplane mode in our Tecno phone. Friends, you want to on guys aeroplane mode in a Tecno phone, so friends you can on it. And guys now let's see how to turn on aeroplane mode in a Tecno phone. In this video friends I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys, before starting video friends I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel, so then first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon. So guys now let's see how to turn on aeroplane mode in Tecno mobile. So when you open your phone setting to on your aeroplane mode. So friends, you can see this type of setting in your Tecno phone. So you will have to come in guys your more connection settings. Then guys you can see first guys your aeroplane mode settings. So friends you want to on, so you can on from here. Right side guys you can see this icon guys, tap here to turn on your aeroplane mode. After on guys you can see guys your aeroplane mode icon on your screen. So after that guys you cannot use guys your mobile data setting. As you can use guys your download movies, you can watch, as you can play your offline games in your Tecno mobile, and as you can listen songs, download songs. So like that guys you can turn on your aeroplane mode, and guys you cannot call your any friends and relative, and guys they cannot call you. So are you friends, you've understood how to on aeroplane mode in our Tecno phone? So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye friends.